Cocktails and Crankshafts back again with another unboxing. And this box is sitting up on its end because it was sort of pieced together and there are no flaps on the sides. So looks like they took two medium flat rate boxes and stacked them together. So opening from the long end here, just out of sight of the camera, but of course I'm working with the knife as I love to do. Slippery, ill-fitting gloves on. Okay, got the flaps off. It's all bubble wrap in here. Pros and cons with bubble wrap. Protective but difficult to remove, especially with these slippery gloves on and a car that's wedged in very tight. Now this car I bought, it was damaged and it was loose, and so that's a little bit outside of my normal purchasing parameters, but the rarity of this car and the price that it was available at compelled me to go ahead and purchase it. And as you can see, the seller did package it thoroughly, which I specifically asked him about because the last time I bought a loose car, it was destroyed in transit. And I didn't want to go through that again. Even though I got my money back, I don't have the car, so I didn't want to go through that again. So I was really careful to specify to him that it needed to be packed really well. And I think he did a pretty good job. As you can see, I'm going through a lot of, there we go, bubble wrap down to the tissue paper. Actually, those are paper towels. And, or maybe it's toilet paper. I should know that. Yeah, no, I guess it's toilet paper, not actual tissue. I mean, yeah, toilet tissue, not paper towels. Still unwrapping. Still unwrapping. Wow. We're in the middle of COVID still, so that toilet paper is valuable. I should have kept it. And there we have a Williams-Renault FW15. This vehicle was the 1993 Formula One World Champion driven by Alain Prost. I have actually encountered one of these cars in real life during my second trip to the Goodwood Festival of Speed. I had the occasion to photograph one of these up close and personal. It was impressive to say the least. This car had electronic everything. It had active suspension, anti-lock brakes, semi-automatic transmission. It had a push-to-pass button that altered the aerodynamics and the engine profile. It had power steering. It had pneumatic valves in the engine. It had so much stuff on it that a lot of the technology was actually banned for the 1994 season. The damage on this car in particular are the left-hand side mirror is missing, and also there's some paint damage on the rear wing. The rear wing didn't bother me. A car this old, it is what it is. I could attempt to repaint it, but I don't know if I will. I'll probably leave it alone. Call it patina. And then the left-hand side driver's mirror, and that's another one that I'm not going to worry a whole lot about. It'll be fine for what I'm going to do with it. And if I have the opportunity to buy a pristine one later, I will, but since those are north of $500, I'll just lay low on that for a little while. So that is the Williams-Renault FW15C, technically, I believe it is. And that's another unboxing. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Cocktails and Crankshafts. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon with new content.